Hello guys, so today it is April 21st, 2020. Today is Tuesday. This is Miss Esmeralda, just in case you forgot. We did only have a few weeks in class. We didn't have much time together, and I hope you're enjoying your vacations. We did get pretty huge vacations right now, and I hope you're enjoying your time at home and playing video games and just spending time with your family. Now, today's class, we will be talking about right angles, just angles in general. The first one that we're going to talk about is the right angle. So, a right angle measures exactly 90 degrees. So, the way you can measure an angle, it's with a protractor. This is a protractor, and these numbers here tell you the measurement of the angle. So, right here, I went ahead and drew the angle already. Most right angles will have a square here. Like you can see, this is a right angle triangle. And if you put the protractor in the middle, let me just put it right here, it will go ahead and show you right there that it's 90 degrees. So the next angle that we're going to be talking about is the acute angle. Now the acute angle is a smaller angle. The red line will be just like the right angle. It's the 90 degrees. So right here, this is smaller, right? So it does not measure 90 degrees. This measures 40 degrees. The acute angle needs to measure less than 90 degrees. So whatever is less than here. So it could be right here, and it could be an acute angle. Just as long as it's not like this. Now this is the acute angle. The next one we'll be talking about is the obtuse angles. Now the obtuse angles needs to measure more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. So like in the first one, the red line will be the 90 degrees, but since it passes that line, it is more than 90 degrees. So this measures 120 degrees. Now if we go ahead and put the protractor and measure it, it will go ahead and tell us how much it measures. So right here, it does say 120. And if you don't have a protractor, you don't have to worry. And the exercises you will be doing in your book, it does already show you the measurements. So this comes in the book. You don't have to worry about it. This is just so you can see that it actually measures the angle. Now, the straight angle, here it is. It measures 180 degrees. So if it measured 90 degrees, it will be right here in the middle. So this will be the 90 degrees. But since it's a complete line, it measures 180 degrees. If we put the protractor in the middle, it says right here in small numbers, 180 degrees. So this is just pretty much a straight line, but the term of it, it's a straight angle. This is just pretty much a fancy word for straight line, but just keep in mind that a straight angle is a straight line. Like you can see right here with the red marker, it is a straight line. So now let's go over them. The first one is the right angle. Just remember that the right angle measures 90 degrees. It's pretty much just two straight lines, and keep in mind that most of the times it does have a square here and here. You can't really see it, but it does have a square here. Now the straight angle, remember, it's just a straight line. You just pretty much have to change line for angle. Now obtuse angles, it has to be more than 90 degrees but less than 180. So this one measures 180, and if you notice it measures less than 180. So it could be here, the line could be here, it could be here, as long as it's not straight. This is an obtuse angle. Now the acute angle, remember it's the smallest one. So the smallest one is the acute angle. So this measures 40 degrees. Now the red line, remember it's 90 degrees. Now on your book, it will show you these numbers. And like I did say, here it tells you the numbers already. So for example, here it's 90. Let's measure it on here. So the red line Remember, it measures 90 degrees. Now here it says 40 degrees. So that's how you would measure it. So on your book, just make sure that you see whatever number you see here, just go ahead and write it. It will tell you if it's if it's larger than the 90 degrees or if it's less than 90 degrees. So remember, if it's less than 90 degrees, it will be an acute angle. If it measures more than 90 degrees but less than 180, it will be an obtuse angle. Now, if it measures 180, it will be a straight angle, just like a straight line. And the one that we mostly always see is the right angle. Now, this one we see it all the time because this one is usually a square. So all of the squares have a right angle.